on me at the beginning.
You got the shift better.
Yeah.
I let it over rev too much. The shift, one little mistake you was on.
Yeah.
I was like, you were like here, and I was like here, and I couldn't pull it. The bike didn't have enough to pull it.
Right back?
Fast ass bike.
It's deceiving. You don't think you're going that fast. Huh? Really? Oh shit! What's that? Oh, okay. Oh, is that why he's going to get his rag?
Yeah, look at the hole I dug. He was right fucking behind me. I had
left half the field on his face.
no idea he was right behind me.
Oh, that's
Why would you
messed.
stop right behind me when we were fucking, you know?
That's messed up.
Because
Yeah,
we were
look
coming
at
to
the
the
hole.
stop from the accelerating.
What's that?
We were coming from a stop.
Yeah, I was gonna slide around and I just fucking dumped the clutch.
Cresting this last hill, I never know how much is left, so I'm like, should I let off or not?
Yeah, mine wouldn't go into fifth gear.
Huh? Will it now?
It did when, you know, once I slowed down.
Yeah,
But I've noticed it doesn't like to go into, you know,
fifth gear.
when it's really, when I'm stringing it out.
Yeah. Well, you need to match more. Actually,
Let's see what gear. Hold on.